Introducing the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, a high-end smartphone with premium features and an impressive design. Welcome to F1 Expat, my name is Norm. Samsung has recently unveiled its latest flagship smartphone series, the Galaxy S23, at the Galaxy Unpacked event in February 2023. The top-of-the-line model in the series is the Galaxy S23 Ultra, which boasts several significant upgrades under the hood and minor design changes. We will delve into the key features of the Galaxy S23 Ultra, including its design and display, battery and storage, processor and performance, camera, and box contents. At the end of this video I will give you my conclusion of this cutting-edge phone that challenges its competitors and who this phone is best suited for. Design and display. Boasting an impressive 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED display made of Gorilla Glass Victus 2, the Galaxy S23 Ultra features waterfall edges that are slightly less dramatic than before, providing a sleek and sophisticated look. The display offers a variable refresh rate of up to 120 Hz that can drop down to 1 Hz, along with a brightness of 1750 nits. The phone also features an armor aluminum frame with a power button and volume rocker on the right side, as well as an S Pen slot and SIM tray on the bottom flanking the USB-C port. Battery and storage. Equipped with a robust 5000 mAh battery that supports 45W wired charging and 15W wireless charging, the Galaxy S23 Ultra provides reliable and long-lasting battery life. The phone comes with an impressive 256GB of storage and 8GB of RAM, doubling the storage of its predecessor and allowing for smooth multitasking and app usage. Processor and performance. Powered by Qualcomm's flagship Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset, built on TSMC's 4nm architecture, the Galaxy S23 Ultra offers superior thermal performance compared to its predecessor, making it an excellent choice for heavy usage. The phone provides fast and seamless performance, allowing for smooth app launches, efficient multitasking, and impressive gameplay. Camera. The Galaxy S23 Ultra's camera is undoubtedly its standout feature, boasting Samsung's new 200MP ISOCELL HP2 sensor surrounded by two 10MP telephoto lenses and a 12MP ultrawide camera. The front camera is a 12MP punch hole, providing stunning image quality and versatility for capturing high-quality photos and videos. Box contents. Samsung has streamlined the Galaxy S23 Ultra's packaging to a lean, black box that includes a SIM ejector tool, a black USB-C to USB-C cable, and some paperwork. The packaging provides a sleek and sophisticated look that complements the phone's design. As a reviewer, I would like to conclude that the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra is a robust and high-performance device that significantly elevates the smartphone experience for tech enthusiasts and mobile enthusiasts alike. Undoubtedly offers a premium and high-end experience that comes with a hefty price tag, so it is best suited for users who prioritize top-notch technology and features over affordability. Overall, the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra offers a superior experience in the premium smartphone market and sets the bar high for its competitors. Thank you for watching my review of the Galaxy S23 Ultra. If you found this review helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel. See you in the next video.